starting a business is really not easy. Ndio maana wengi ambao wana sustain kwenye hizi issues za biashara ni wachache sana, kwa sababu they enter into a business having this notion ya kwamba things will be good, okay, and then unakuta mtu unaweka a worst case scenario, ambayo hiyo worst case scenario ambayo umeiweka in the books, ukija in the real life of business unashangaa ile worst case scenario ndio the best case scenario. So that ndo kitu ambacho watu wengi huwa wanakosa sasa ile resilience ya kupiga kazi, kwa sababu to be honest business is really hard when it comes now to making sure kwamba it is sustainable, it is surviving the next day until ufike a point where now you can say you're making money from revenue. When I say revenue, namaanisha kwamba you're making money from actually selling your product. Until ufike hiyo point ya kusema kwamba you're making money from actually selling a service or a product, na ndio inasaidia kusustain hiyo biashara, just know kwamba umeshapitia muda mwingi hapo mgumu sana. My main issue ambayo nilikuwa nataka ni address ni how you can create. Sorry, Monte, you haven't told me the amount of time that I have, so I know how to fill in all info.
You have around 5 to 10 minutes, brother. Let's do 15 minutes. I know the people on that will scare story. Let's do 15 minutes.
Keep doing the podcast, I say. So kwenye mtaka nielezee jinsi gani ya kuweza create a global business from the ground up, just in a nutshell, kuweza kujua kwamba, because I believe the essence of the webinar is to help entrepreneurs, and the best way to help them ni to provide actually the, how should I say it, the content ambazo mtu inabidi anazijua when it comes to actually creating a proper business. Kwa hiyo when you want to create a global business, which I believe most of you should have such goals, and not have goals ambazo unategemea labda create kitu kidogo. I believe most of us should have the goals of creating a global business. That's why nataka kuielezea hiyo. You need to find a product or sort of a business ambayo ina tick out 3 boxes. One is sustainable, the other one is scalable, and the other one is synchronizable. So briefly, when we talk about sustainability, tunaongelea biashara ambazo zina uwezo wa kustahimili vikwazo. Okay, umeona kama hichi kipindi cha COVID, a lot of businesses died kwa sababu they were not sustainable. Hawakuwa na risk mitigation systems ambazo zimewekwa kuwasaidia waweze kuwa sustainable kwenye events kama hizo. So hapa ndo tunaangalia masuala ya business modules. I think I'll provide a document ambayo inaelezea hivi vitu. So kwenye sustainability, you're talking about business modules ambazo ziko flexible. Ukiangalia makampuni kama Nike, they have moved from having a 5-year strategic plan all the way to having a 3-month strategic plan. Kwa unaona kabisa kwamba things are changing fast. So you need to have business modules ambazo zina change haraka. Kama business modules, for example, kama subscription modules, business modules kama commission based modules. Hizi hapa ndo biashara ambazo zina uwezo wa kuwa sustainable in time. The other one is scalability, meaning kwamba biashara yako ina uwezo wa kufikia watu wangapi. Okay? In terms of how fast it can reach these people na how relevant hii biashara ni kwa watu wengi, kwa wingi wa watu wengi. So this means unaangalia pia na swala zima la market ambayo uko kama Tanzania hapa. Ukisema kwamba let's say mimi hapa na I have this investment advisory firm, lakini tuna product ambayo tuna provide education. Okay? Sasa mbongo mwambie kulipe ili umfundishe sijui masuala ya trading. Sio rahisi. Okay? So you come now to understand kwamba if I was in the US and I was doing this kind of business and I have this product, it would have been doing well, right? Ningekuwa na uwezo wa kuuzia watu wengi na it's quickly scalable. Lakini kwa Tanzania haiwezi kuwa scalable fast. So hapo sasa ndo unakuja una implement vitu vingine ambavyo vinaitwa kama hizi business models zinawasaidia kwenye issue nzima ya pricing. Umeona kama Apple kwenye nchi kama China, I believe ndo wanazo zile no, actually sasa hivi ni dunia nzima wameweka hiyo kulipia kwa installments. Kwa kuweka hizi pricing plans, you might have a proper product ambao maybe one of you guys mna product zenu uko tayari and unapata shida ya kujua jinsi gani inaweza kuwa scalable, kwa sababu umeona labda in the US iko scalable na inafanya vizuri. I think one of the things ambao unaweza ukaangalia ni swala zima la a pricing system ambao unaweza ukaimplement kwenye market. Unaweza ukaamua utengeneze labda an installment plan ambayo ipo relevant kwa Tanzania. I hope I'm making sense. More English. Okay. Kelvin from Zimbabwe, if I believe. All right. So I'm going to use English, guys. When we're talking about hiyo swala zima la scalability, umeona kwamba tunaangalia business modules ambazo unatumia, ambao suggested kwamba if you have a business and you want to start it, angalia kama hiyo biashara yako ina lie within a subscription based business module au a commission based business module. Okay? Hizo ndo kidogo sasa hivi kwa duniani they are doing well when it comes to case study ya kuangalia mabiashara mengi. Lakini unaweza ukawa una a very good business module, lakini your product may still not be performing well. Okay? The reasons that is huge factor for a product not to perform well is pricing. So you can see, you can find a way of how you can create a pricing system that is attractive to the market that you're in. As I said, for example, in Tanzania, the educational system, if maybe you're providing an educational service, most people do not really opt to pay for an educational service. So you can find a way of how you can create maybe an installment plan that would favor a lot of Tanzanians. So that is how you create a scalable business. When you talk about synchronizability, okay, a business that can be flexible to be integrated with other businesses. For instance, what I do is investment advisory. So I provide advice. But if I was in a business of being a typical broker, let's say a securities broker, it would have been really hard for me to be synchronizable with other businesses. Synchronizability means how can you integrate one business with another business, okay? So with me just providing advice, I can go in the market, okay? Because let's say I'm talking about a finance market because that's my niche. When I go in the market, I can have partnerships with multiple brokers or simply multiple participants. Why? Because my business is synchronizable. I provide a service that can be used in any other business. Same as you can see a business like Amazon. It is synchronizable. That is why it can be scalable and is still sustainable even in times when the market is really not performing well. So I believe these are things that you can implement if you have a business that you're trying to create or a business that you feel like you want to achieve a global presence. Make sure that all these three boxes are ticked out, okay? So I believe that's something I can leave you guys with. When we continue engaging these webinars, we'll keep learning a thing or two.
Thank you very much, Brever. And yeah, as you said, there's someone from outside of Tanzania, so we shall try to keep as much English as we can so that everyone can learn and understand what we're talking about. Now, before we proceed forward, I would like to announce to you guys regarding our upcoming event that is coming up and giving everyone an opportunity in here to come work with us or say join our team, in the sense of end of the day, you will be receiving a commission and also you'll be connecting with us more. Now, what event do we have coming up? Yes, we're gonna be hosting Vusi. And for everyone who doesn't know, I want them to pull up their phones, go on Instagram and search for Vusi. He's a very well-known speaker and he is tremendous. Like he is so good. And he's gonna come talk about different things that people can come. I'm pretty sure he's gonna come about entrepreneurship, resilience, a lot of things. Now, we are going to announce probably in the coming few weeks, but we wanted to give you guys an opportunity to know from now, so that you guys, whoever wants to come work with us, can DM our Instagram page, Connectors Club TZ, or the phone number that I'm going to paste below. I shall paste it below. You can send a message. I'll put in 2 numbers. You can send a message. Now you can be part of our sales team that helps sells the tickets to everyone, to other people, and announce it to a lot more people. And in return, this will be you can learn a new you can learn new ways of sales strategies and everything, because you're going to be joining our team, and we shall be talking more about the sales strategies, because end of the day, we want everyone to learn, connect, and engage. So, and also, as I said, just a reminder, we have our community called Connectors Club Community, where we talk about different things. We interact with people, we share value there, we share education in there. And I would really love for the people that joined here to join, because it is very, very much beneficial. And one of our co-hosts here has displayed the link to our Instagram page for the people that would like to DM us regarding this, how to be in our team, and how to join us for our new and upcoming event, which I believe will be a very, very much big event. And also, may I say, this is another good thing for the people that joined. For everyone who joined, can they take a picture of this this Zoom meeting? They can post on their Instagram stories, but also the fact that you joined here, we shall offer you a discount on the ticket when they come out. Now, that is a very, very big step for everyone that is here. You never know, it could be 50% just for the people that joined. So make sure you take a picture as for proof. When you DM us, we shall give you the discount prices. Yeah. To proceed forward, may I invite Mendes, who is a very well-known entrepreneur, but also a politician. He shall also have to say a thing or two. I hope you guys are taking notes, because Brever said a lot of things about business not being sustainability, how as a business you should try start thinking about installment plans, because that's where the world is going. Not everyone can afford, and the inflation is growing and prices are going up. So not everyone can afford the price that you set, but there are ways to tackle these prices on how to get what price you want, but also to help a consumer. By, as he said, you can install for the people that live abroad that understand this very, very, very much clearly. For example, in UK, I know there's something called Klarna. Now, Klarna helps you pay in installments, in 4 installments. So, for example, if something is 10,000 shillings, they give an offer to pay 2,500 if in 4 times. So, for the people that want to be businesses, maybe you can try to think of this. It is not an easy plan, because as we all know, we're from Tanzania or Africa. Not everyone is transparent. So just take notes. You could find a way to make this better. But let me give the floor to Mendes. Mendes, if you may start.